Okay, this is the text file we have, that is the employee data. Here we have name, employee ID, section and salary, and these are the different records available here. Now I want to import this to Excel. Open Excel. Just I will increase the size of row and column here, and then we'll go to data tab. Here we have an option from text or CSV. Select that, click on that, and select the text file here, employee data.txt. Import. Now it's importing the text file to Excel. So now we have got this window. We have the imported data here. So between each field, now the delimiter used is comma. We have an option to choose the delimiter as whether equal sign, semicolon, space or tab. We can also mention the custom delimiter, like if we have a hyphen, can give it here. Here the values are separated using comma. Okay, after this we have an option like a data type detection. We can instruct Excel so based on first 200 rows select a data type, or based on entire data set. Then click load. So data will appear like this. Just I will copy this and paste it at some other location in the same sheet. I will delete this previous one. Now this is not a clean data, so I just want to format it properly. In the name column, so if you observe the records, you can see that there are some lowercase letters and some uppercase letters which is not uniform. I will use one function to set it right. So I will use proper of open parenthesis and give the cell address, close the parenthesis. Now you can see that the name entries are properly formatted. So again, for the section column, same thing is applicable. I will use equals proper of open parenthesis, cell address, close the parenthesis. Now you can see that data is properly formatted. Okay. For the salary values, I want to include currency type. Right click, format cells, and in the currency I will choose rupee, and I will choose the second option. So now you can see that the salary values are properly displayed. Now let us see what happens if I delete this extra column D. There is a dependency on this column, the values will disappear here. So what I will do is I will insert one more column here, copy this, right click and paste values. So now I will delete these first two columns. Same thing is applicable to section. Now let us consider we have some duplicate values here. Here for Mahesh, for Pramod we have two similar records. So if we want to remove the duplicate records, go to data, and we have an option here, remove duplicates. Click on that, and here it is asking us on which column you want to remove the, based on which column you want to remove the duplicates. we can select name also, but there can be more than one person with the same name, so we have to choose the unique identifier. I will choose employee ID here, click OK. So 3 duplicate values found and removed. Okay, now the duplicate entries are removed. This is the process of cleaning the data. Like this we can clean the imported data, and we can use it for further processing. Thank you.